Programmable automation. So as we say, a programmable automation is here. It is a system which is designed using all computer languages. Yes, we have analogs, binary system, programming like softwares. So using all such automation, sorry, using all such software, the manufacturing systems being maintained or automated in order to help with production system. So this is used most often when manufacturing products in batches. Even this is suitable for batch system. It allows for customization and frequent changes through the manufacturing process. Okay, in this case, the operation is controlled by a program of instructions that are read and interpreted by the system, which is computer. Okay, and new programs can be prepared and entered into a hardware to produce new products at any time. That's what, see, the programs are designed and connected, or prepared, connected into hardware system, so that it gives you the production of new products. Okay, see, the type of programmable automation what we have is computer numerical controlled machine tools, and we have industrial robots, we have programmable logical controllers. So this numerical controlled machines are, see, this is totally technical aspect, so I don't want to dig into much. So these are the systems which are controlled through the programmable system, especially with respect to numerical control system and industrial robots. All these systems are the inputs are required in terms of logical series. So this is the system which works on all logical series of programming, okay, with respect to machineries and tools which is used in manufacturing system. So computer numerical controlled machines are the machines which is directed by inputs as the numbers, letters, symbols, words, or combination of all this. So by this it gives by the instructions or by the input of all these elements in terms of the programs. So the machine is designed and the sequence is designed in terms of production. We all know what is robots. Robots are again the predetermined programmable devices, or say machines, which reduces human work. Okay, and then programmable logical controllers. This is a series of the programmable logic controllers they have certain logic statements or logic expressions to be framed or to be entered in the system, which are connected to hardware in terms of production. So this is how the system works in terms of automation with respect to programmable automation. Simple programmable automation is an automation system which is derived through certain programs being designed by the technical person of manufacturing unit, or say technical unit of the softwares are all predetermined. We all know very well what are the softwares and what are the hardwares being used. Okay, so this is somewhere the computers and robots being used in programmable automation system. These are the three major aspects as programmable automation: computer numerical controlled machines, where we see this systems requires inputs as numbers, letters, symbols, words, or say combination of all this. The programs is required all this inputs. Okay, it depends. Okay, and we all know industrial robots being designed which can perform the better tasks, and programmable logical controllers are the systems which are required or which are drive through the help of certain series of logical expressions which have to be entered in order to produce the better products. Okay, these are all with respect to programmable automation. Okay, you see a computer where the commands is being commanding with respect to the performance of probably I would get few, yeah, okay, fine, no issues. So this is the system where an operator inputs the sequence of the sequence or the programs or the say logical expressions. So in order to it drives through the hardware so that it performs in an automated way. Okay, so it has certain even it, this system has certain advantages and disadvantages. So advantages are flexible and able to deal with design variations as it completely depends on the programming aspect. So we can change the machines are totally operated on the expressions being or say the programs being created by created and drive through the machine connected to the hardware. So we have the flexibility in order to deal with the designs of products what we being deal, so we can change it according to the requirement. Suitable for even this is suitable for batch production. So disadvantages we have the high investment in general purpose machine equipment. So in generally we see we have learned that batch production system is not really required highly technically. We can use general purpose machines also. So somewhere a higher investment in terms of general machines connecting to the software controlled machines. So somewhere it is high in terms of investment for business units. Okay, second one is lower production rate than the fixed automation. So if it has productivity rate less in terms of fixed automation. Okay, this was all about a programmable automation. And lastly we have a totally integrated automation system. So this is a system which gives you an interaction between all the automation components of your business. It could be data management or it could be production management or say any standards being maintained in your production unit. Okay, see open system architects cover the entire production process and it's based on the consistent presence of shared characters. Let's see what are the characters it has. So consistent data management, global standards, and uniform hardware and software interfaces. So from the beginning to the end of your system of your business organization is totally integrated. You see all the aspects. This is especially being introduced by a Siemens engineering company. Okay, so firstly it has introduced by them. It's a recent introduction as an automation system, so which controls all the system automated with any business production. Okay, so these shared characteristics minimize engineering time, a common software environment, a common data management system, a common communication method. So it is an integration engineering which has a software which creates a common software environment, a common data management system, a common communication method. So it's whatever the process you have in your business organization, it is totally integrated and combined all the process and being automated. Integration is nothing but the integration is nothing but the combination of all the activities and automating and they creating a single platform in terms of automation. Okay, so this has certain advantages. Facilitates shorter time to market as each and every system is automated. So automatically it performs, it gives you a high production in terms of shorter period. Okay, high productivity, yes. So it is a completely integrated automation system which allows you to automate all the aspects of all the areas of your the business organization. So it somewhere gives you an additional advantage in terms of productivity. Lower life cycle costs. This is in terms of it reduces the life cycle of production. So somewhere that helps us to produce lower cost per unit. Reduced complexity. Any complexity involved in the production or say maintaining multiple departments, multiple activities of production is quite complex. So when everything is automated, the system becomes complex. So that's what it somewhere helps us to reduce the complexity with respect in terms of operations. Greater security of investment. So you have all the system automated, somewhere it gives the security in terms of investments. Yeah, again, the disadvantages is it also has certain disadvantages, which is high investment, as the automated system is completely automated. The all the areas of your business have been integrated as one. So somewhere you need a separate team who maintains all these areas in terms of maintenance. So highly, it is in the system has been required highly maintenance in terms of automation. Okay, yeah, this was all about types of automation.